When it comes to oral care, it's really important to take care of your mouth and your teeth. And there are a number of different ways to treat your teeth. One obviously is brushing your teeth. Another way may be using dental floss or even toothpicks. Well, today I want to share with you another way, and that's with this oral irrigator. And this was sent to me by a company called Shandy. I've had an opportunity to use it the past 30 days and look forward to diving in. And I'll be sure to give you my unbiased opinion. I'll also be sure to put a link down below where you get more information. If it makes sense, you can order it. So welcome to Sid's Tips. Thank you so much for joining me. And yes, I've really enjoyed it. And I'm really impressed that the battery's still going, and it's about a month now. I haven't used it every day, but I've used it on a regular basis, and it's going strong. Now let's talk about what is included. So what's included is you get 6 different heads. You get 4 of the standard heads, which look like this one. Then you also get 2 different other ones. One's a silicone head, and one is for those that have orthodontic care, like their braces. So those are the different heads. So obviously that's nice to choose from different ones. And then you also have your charging cable. This one uses a magnetic connector. So it connects on the top there, and then you just plug this into a USB outlet and you're good to go. You also have the instruction sheet, a lot of good information from charging, how to clean it, and all that good stuff. And what's interesting, actually, when it's talking about maintaining it, I would have thought to use vinegar, but it's just saying use water to run the line through, cold water, not warm water, and that vinegar or something like that could actually ruin the device. So something to think about. And then this is the box if you were interested. Now, let's talk about the specs. Again, it is rechargeable. It's supposed to last about 30 days. It does have an indicator there on the bottom, which does say charger, but I have not seen any indicator yet that I need to charge it up. It is IPX7 rated, which means it can be submerged up to 1 meter in water for 30 minutes. So those are the specs. Now let's talk about the modes. So you got 3 modes. You have soft mode. That is for getting used to using it. You've also got pulse, which massages the gums, which feels nice. And then you also have normal mode. So you've got 3 modes, and I'll demonstrate those. Now, by the way, if you find this video of help and it adds value, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. It also really helps the video and my channel. And if you're not a subscriber and find it add value overall, click that subscribe button and, of course, the bell icon to be notified of new videos. So let's talk about the functions. So top button is for power. The bottom one is for changing the modes from the soft. So you can see if I were to press the there, it changes from soft to pulse to normal. And then you go back up to soft again. You press on and off for your power, and now it's running. And it runs for about a minute. So this is, by the way, another mode. So you can just have it on automatic, let it run through for about a minute. The other way is to do manual, where you can keep your finger on the button and then decide when it should stop. To do that, you just press and hold for 3 seconds the mode button, and then you'll see it will light up, and now it's ready to go. The lights are on. So now if I hold my finger down, let me go ahead and put on normal mode. So if I press and hold the power button, I keep it on there. If I release it, it stops. So you've got a number of different ways that you can use it, which is great. Now, to fill it up with water, you could do it one of 2 ways. You could pop the bottom lid open and fill it the hole there, or you could take the reservoir, turn it, and then you have a nice big hole to fill it up. So there you go. Now let's go ahead and fill it up. By the way, while I'm filling it up, just to give you an idea and not to gross you out, this is my experience of using it after lunch, and you can see it does clean the teeth, gets between the teeth and get your food out, and it's quick. It's a great alternative to using dental floss. So there you go. Now, so you put the water in, and then you can, I'm going to just use the mode where I'm going to hold my finger. So this is normal. Actually, let me put my hand there so you can get an idea of the spray. So this is the soft. This is soft mode, so that you'll get an idea there. Got a nice firm stream. Then we're going to go next. We are going to go to pulse. So that will give you an idea on pulse. And we're getting a little splashed here. So it's got that nice pulse. And then the other one is normal. So that's got a little bit more of a firmer pulse to it, a firmer stream. So you've got 3 different ways to use it. It works great. Again, the battery life's been lasting. I like it. It works great, and I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely a 2 thumbs up, nice value, and obviously you've got 6 different heads to choose from. So let me know if you have any questions. This is, again, a great way to take care of your teeth. So important to definitely keep up with oral hygiene, and it helps you stay healthy as well. And it really feels good in the mouth. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video. Take care.